Çok kötü burası.
Kalmış. Ona gidiyorlar. Orada da var mahsur kalan arabanın içerisinde.
Пахам коле бокона, езбе ходот бикотон.
Heavy rains cause flooding in northeastern Turkey. Around 200 people have been evacuated due to flooding in Turkey's eastern Black Sea region. 6 people trapped in the Arhavi district and 9 in the Mergel district were taken to safe areas. There are also electricity cuts in the region. The Energy and Natural Resources Ministry reported that 3045 subscribers were left without electricity due to floods in the neighboring provinces of Artvin and Rise. The energy of 9650 subscribers was cut off due to security measures. Meanwhile, Turkey's Search and Rescue Association rescued 18 people. At least 6 people lost, with 2 people still missing, in flooding and landslides triggered by heavy rain last week in the Rise province. While a 1.5-meter puddle of water has come up in front of the buildings near the Black Sea coastal road, the workers who have been working in the tea plantations have been stranded in the gardens. A building of a hydroelectric power plant has collapsed and drifted away with the flood. Several citizens have been stranded in buildings as the entrances of the buildings have been underwater.
Çok korkunç derecede bir deneyim.